Tappers, this is the last new material for In the Mood, and for my members of Dance on Demand, you can get the full dance on the platform, but this is the breakdown for anybody who wants to learn it. So here we go. We're going to start with our right foot, because I always start with my right. And it's just a simple reversal. So we're going to start with our toe. Right, heel, 2, 5, 6, like that counting, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and with the last heel, and roll, walk it back, step, roll, change, step, roll, change, shuffle, step, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, chase your feet, step right, paddle, paddle, step, mad, keep going, reverse, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, right, 2, 3, 4, pull back, heel forward, 1, cramp roll, walk it back, step, ball, change, step, shuffle, ball, change, go back, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, chase, your feet, step out, paddle, paddle, step out, shuffle, and go. Let's go a touch faster, okay? Just for fun. 5, 6,